Let's begin. Sit upright in a lotus position, or sit upright in a chair, feet flat on the floor or on the earth. Palms facing up, left hand resting in your right palm, and bring the tips of your thumbs together. Close your eyes. Inhaling through your nose, take a full deep breath down into your abdomen and continue it up to the top of your head. Exhale slowly through your mouth all the way out, and let your body relax. 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 Again, breathe into your abdomen, bringing the breath up into your brain, stilling the repetitive patterns of thought, easing the excessive mental activity. Slowly exhale, releasing the pressure, slowing down, and quieting your mind. Be still. Be still. Be silent. Your body is relaxed, your mind serene, composed, and at peace. 8 inches above your head, there exists a sphere of radiant white light. This is the seat of your superconscious mind, also known as your oversoul and your higher self. Your higher self holds the template for ascension into your divine nature. Slowly and fully breathe up into the luminous sphere. Exhale, sending the rays of pure white light down through the crown of your head, bringing higher creative energy and clarity into your mind, and continue it into your heart. Infuse your heart with the undulating light of your spirit to awaken the etheric heart, the heart of unconditional acceptance. Affirm, I choose to open, surrender deeply to the sacred heart within me, and ascend into the fullness of my spirit. See the light expanding within your heart, connecting to your indwelling self. Embrace the love that is your essence, the love that connects you to the heart of the source. Feel it heightening and expanding. You were created from love. You are love. And you bless your life when you love. Inhale from your heart, sending both your love and spiritual energy down into the base of your spine to infuse your root chakra. Exhale. This chakra is your connection to Mother Earth and sets the foundation for your physical body and human reality. Herein lies the cosmic force of life known as Shakti Kundalini, one and the same as the sacred fire of the Holy Spirit. It is the raw, primordial energy that burns off karma, removing the blockages in your lower self while fulfilling your soul's journey toward enlightenment. Surrender to the flow of the Kundalini. Never force it, for the sacred fire of your spirit has an intelligence of its own. As the Kundalini rises through your psychic centers, you'll begin to experience a miraculous alchemical transformation. You'll begin to reawaken the true power of your soul and ascend beyond your human identity, merging as one in the sacred union with your Oversoul. Invite your higher self to guide this process now.